I've got the hood open right now so I can show the motor afterwards. This is like my second video in my life. I'm photographing some of my classic cars that from my private collection that I'm gonna let go. This car is sensational. Every body panel from 1969 on the assembly is still on this car for 1970 production. Absolutely laser straight sheet metal. The undercarriage, this car's never been off the frame, none of the rotisserie stuff. This is all factory. It's always been taken care of, driven, and always garaged. It's always in my heated garage. I've had this car for years, and absolutely, it's one of the best driving and running Superbirds you'll ever find. When these cars were rotisserie restored, they lose all their integrity of the way they were built originally, a lot of people feel. This car still sits on all its original body mount. It has a light factory undercoat, which you'll see in the pictures, spotless. The metal's like virgin, brand new underneath. The undercarriage, if you were to remove the factory undercoat, but it's never been touched. It's just absolutely beautiful. Today it's extremely windy, so there's probably going to be a lot of noise. These are my personal plates, 1970, that I want to keep. I've had for years. It's really hard with the sunlight to show you just how beautiful the sides are. Like I say, like a mirror. All the wheels, the original wheels are still like mint condition. Original, as I say. The upholstery in this car has never been touched. 54,000 original miles from day one, documented. This car's only been registered once in 51 years. With the original owner. You'll see all the registrations while he owned it. Let's see if I can open the hood with one hand here. Absolutely a sweetheart. It runs absolutely beautiful. I'm going to do a running engine here soon. I'll show you the upholstery is absolutely beautiful.